Morning lads, I just want to do a video there about writing the equation of the line which is either parallel or perpendicular to another. Okay, so let's start away with the notes here. So write the equation of any line parallel to. So if it's parallel to it, what could you say about it? It has the same slope. So if it's parallel, it has the same slope. Okay, so if I'm given this line here, remember, what is the quick way to get slope? It's minus the x over the y. So when it's parallel lines, say for the slope of this one will be minus 4 over 3. So the slope of the parallel line should be minus 4 over 3. So your x and y stay the same. Whatever's at the end then, just change that to a plus k, which is a constant. Alright, so for a line parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, any line parallel to that is 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. K is any constant. It could be a plus 7, which we have here, plus 10, minus 20, any integer there, or any real number really. Okay, the next one, write any equation of any line parallel to 2x minus 5y plus 19. Again, the x's and the y's stay the same, so I've my 2x minus 5y. And instead of plus 19, just change it to a plus k, which is a constant. And the last one, 4 over 3x plus 17y minus 4. Again, your x and y stay the same, so your 4x over 3 plus 17y, and then just change the last term to a plus k. Alright, so in general, keep x and y the same, change the constant to a plus k. So any line parallel to it, you keep your x and y the same, change the last term to a plus k. Okay, so that's the straightforward one. Let's now look at the perpendicular ones. Write the equation of any line perpendicular to. Remember, if it's perpendicular, it has the opposite slope. Alright, it has the opposite slope. It's, you flip it and change the sign, or they multiply to give me a minus 1. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one here. I have 4x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So write the equation of a line perpendicular to that. Let's have a quick look at the rule. You switch the x and the y's and then change the sign of the y. Alright, so I'm going swapping the 4 and 3 first of all. So I swap, put my 3 here and my 4 here, and then change the sign of the middle one. So let's just check. What is the slope of this? It's minus the x over the y, which is minus 4 over 3. What is the opposite to minus 4 over 3? It's 3 over 4. Let's see, is that what I have here? So it's minus 3 over minus 4, which is 3 over 4, so I'm correct. And again, change your constant to a plus k. Let's have a look at the next one. 5x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Write the equation of any line perpendicular to that. Switch the numbers that's with the x and the y, so I'm going to be swapping. My minus 2 will go with the x and my 5 will go with the y. Look at it. Minus 2 goes with the x and 5 goes with the y. Last step then is change the sign of the y. Okay. And then the last one I have, write the equation of any line perpendicular to minus 6x plus 1y. Remember, plus a 1y minus 4 is equal to 0. Switch the numbers here, so that minus 6 will go here and the 1 will go over here. There it is. The minus 6 goes here and the 1 goes here, and then change the sign, and then change the sign of the y, so it's a plus. What is the slope of this one? It's minus 6 over 1, which is 6. Okay, and this slope then is minus the x over the y, which is minus 1 over 6. Okay, I hope that has been helpful to you lads. Just to recap, if it's perpendicular to it, you keep the x and y's the same, change the last one to a plus k. If it's parallel, it's got the same slope, so you keep the x and y the same, change the last one to a plus k. If it's perpendicular, switch the x and y number, so as you switch them, and then change the sign of the y1 afterwards. Alright, thanks lads.